This is Galvin House in the Greenwich Millennium Village in London, directly opposite Southern Park and the Ecology Park and the river. Maybe if you just take a quick look to give you your bearings, and just at the end of the road, can you see it from here? No, you can't, is the dome, but we'll show you that from upstairs. I think we'll get you inside quickly because it's a little bit chilly today. Really nice communal areas. This is a second and third floor duplex apartment, 3 bedrooms, 1,300 square feet with 2 bathrooms. There's a roof terrace, a couple of balconies and a communal roof terrace as well. There's secure underground parking and a 24-hour concierge. This is the communal roof terrace, and just over here is a children's play area. I'm sure on a sunny day it's absolutely lovely. Let's take a look at the flat. The apartment. We're on the 3rd floor here. This is the entrance to a really nice hallway. There is oak flooring with underfloor heating throughout, so a really nice feature. And this is the living room. 27 by 21, really good size because the ceilings are a great height. It's got a really nice sense of space and airiness as well. And just through here is a very nice kitchen with a composite worktop, Bosch appliances, induction hob. I'm kind of thinking this is quite a nice place to sit, read a book and watch the world go by. This is Southern Park directly opposite, and just at the back of that is the Ecology Park. There's the Greenwich Yacht Club right next to it, and you've actually got a view of the river from here, which we'll show you from the drone shot at the end. So it is a great spot, and French doors here. Again with these fabulous views over the park. So the dome, the O2, is just at the end of the road, literally, and that's got a great shopping centre. It's the world's most popular music venue. Just behind you there's a WC, there's a utility cupboard in here, another storage cupboard here. So it's got a shopping centre, there's a cinema complex, there's an indoor skydiving centre, which is very cool. We've done a video on that, so check out my Welcome to Blackheath and Greenwich community channel if you'd like to have a look at it. There's a trampoline centre, there's the skywalk over the top of the dome. You've got the Emirates cable car which will take you over to Epps. Just behind you there's an ensuite. This is a really nice principal bedroom. In fact, actually, if you come in, there are built-in wardrobes here as well. Right, more built-in wardrobes here. Another great bedroom here. There's the river bus service which will take you along the river to St Paul's, Battersea Power Station, Canary Wharf. Very nice way of getting around. Because we're on the river, it's a very nice place to have a walk, jog or a cycle ride. You can go right up to the Thames barrier, and another bedroom here. Did we do the bathroom? I don't think we did we? Let's head back to the bathroom, which is very nice as well. There's a driving range, there are paddle courts. You can't book a paddle court for love nor money, but you can if you live here. And have a look at this. Covered roof terrace, west facing, so really nice and sunny if the sun ever comes out again. In fairness, it was very nice and sunny this morning. Overlooking the communal gardens. So there you go. What a lovely flat. I think we'll head back inside. This is available through my Greenwich office. If you'd like to have a look, give them a ring. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And whilst you're here, as I did mention, we've just started a community channel, Welcome to Blackheath in Greenwich, celebrating everything that's great about this fabulous area that we work and live in. We've got some great videos up there and we're releasing a video every couple of weeks. Please take the time to jump over there and make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on the videos because we're just trying to launch the channel, drive the algorithm. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.